It appears all fingers are pointing towards the PMLN in the attack on Sheikh Rashid. The Awami Muslim League chief himself, along with the PMLQ and the PPP, have put the blame squarely on the PMLN-led Punjab government. Chief of the PMLQ, Chaudhry Shujaat, claims the attack on Sheikh Rashid has brought to the fore what he calls the Sharif brothers' undemocratic attitude.
अगर सियासतदानों को यहाँ पर तहफ़्फ़ुज़ ना दिया गया तो जमहूरियत को कैसे चलाने का दावा कर रहे हैं? अगर जमहूरियत को चलाने का दावा किया जा रहा है तो जमहूरियत के जो कारकुन हैं उनको जमहूरी अमल पूरा करने के लिए भी तहफ़्फ़ुज़ दिया जाना चाहिए.
The PPP too has been quick to criticize the Punjab government's performance. Sheikh Rashid himself has hinted towards the involvement of the Punjab government, although without specifically nominating anyone. The reason behind the implicit attack on the PMLN is perhaps the fact that the Nawaz League strongly opposed bipoles in the province. They had cited security concerns, but Sheikh Rashid fought for the polls and the courts agreed. The PMLN has condemned the attack on Sheikh Rashid and is now describing it as an attempt to delay the by-elections. One of their leaders and the Punjab Law Minister Rana Sanaullah says he'll request the Election Commission to restrict election campaign to in-house activities.
मैं बजाय इसके कि हम इस बात में पड़ें कि कोई किसी की नाकामी का गिला करे या कोई दूसरा जो है वो किसी और के ऊपर इल्ज़ाम लगाए, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये वो दहशतगर्दी है जो इस मुल्क को एक बहुत बड़े मसले के तौर के ऊपर जो है वो दरपेश है और यकीनन ये वाक़या सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ इस मकसद के लिए किया गया है कि इलेक्शन ना हो सके.
Punjab's Chief Minister Shehbaz Sharif has formed a committee comprising top government and security officials to probe the attack and promised a transparent inquiry. In the meantime, the AML chief says he will not stand back and take part in the by-polls, come what may. Danial Hassan, Dawn News, Lahore.